having said that, it has to be, of course, fun, no? And may learning talaga na makukuha yung bata. One thing is for sure, it has to be safe. Nowadays, I would remember Grayson was little pa lang. I'm really choosy kasi yung sometimes, especially when like building, ganyan, diba? Minsan nakakagat, minsan nasusubo, minsan ganun no? So it has to be really safe, and for me, dapat highly recommended by our educators, pwedeng with the experts, no? It is very important na yung mga keys na yun, mabibigay talaga sa anak ko. Kasi, of course, you're not just buying a toy for him per se. Oh, by the way, I buy toys na talagang nakaka-affect ng maganda kay Grayson or nag-give ng benefit kay Grayson. And then, later on, pag nasawa na siya, we tend to, in our family kasi, naging tradition na every Christmas, nag-share kami ng toys sa mga kids na, needy and yung hindi talaga kaya makabili. And I must say, nabibigyan tayo ng magandang opportunity, no? Kasi, I would remember yung bahay ampunan na binigyan namin. They were really grateful of the things that we gave them, especially the kids, because it really brought the kids happiness and learning as well. And I think napapass on yun. So I consider those things in buying, of course, and in choosing the right toys for my kid, and then napapass on din siya. Paying it forward, ganon.